Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sophi B. If I sound a little congested, it's because I am. So on this day, I was styling my hair to go out and hang out with my cousins for a ladies' night for one of my cousins' birthday. And let me tell you, it was a much needed night of just girl time and conversation and food and laughter, and I really enjoyed myself. So here I am just retwisting my locks. I have about 40 or so thick locks, and I'm using alligator clips to secure them. So I literally did my hair maybe 2 hours before I left the house. I do not like to retwist my hair too tight, so this was perfect. It gave me enough hold for the evening. Within a couple of days, it looked like I didn't retwist my hair, but that's fine. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I don't go a lot of places where my hair needs to be done. So I'm using the remainder of my Lotta Body plus some water to kind of set the retwist. Then I go to the front, and I decided to use a little bit of this Kiss holding pomade. The flavor is pineapple and it smells delicious. I really like this edge control. The only downside, it does leave a little bit of whiteness if it's not brushed in thoroughly, so that's the only thing I don't like. When I do use this edge control, I end up washing my hair a few days later just to get it out because I don't like having any buildup on my locks. So I only use it around the perimeter of my hair where I have baby hair, and I just wanted to slick it back. I think I use a little bit too much. I mean, that's why it looks very white. But I think it works better when it's used on wet hair as opposed to dry hair. My hair is currently dry in this video. So this is what it looks like on the left, completed, and I'm going to finish up on the right. I used my perm clips to hold the front in place because I only have 8 alligator clips. And then I covered it up with my do-rag. Shout out to my brother for gifting me with this do-rag many years ago. And then I let it sit for about an hour, hour and a half. Took a shower, got dressed. Then I took it off, and this is what it's looking like. It's giving everything it needs to give. I put on this cozy little outfit, you know, because we're just gonna chill. And I made sure I added my little fur vest to take it up a notch. And I also was wearing some fur boots, which were super comfy. So here I am, ready to head out to go see my girls. Looking fabulous, mommy. Yes, you're the best. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to check out some other videos on my channel. And like, comment, and subscribe. XOXO, Sophi B.